Hello everyone, welcome back to Where We Are. Today we have Srishti Gavare, founder of Swatva Studios, a self-help brand. So it would be great, Srishti, if you could tell us about Swatva Studios.
So, Swatwa Studios is a self help brand. It is basically for people who think a lot and feel overwhelmed in different situations. And I'm here to help them for.
Okay, so before Swatva Studios, who was Srishti as a person? What phase of life you were in?
So, I was kind of confused how things are going. I could not balance things around me. Everything was like being heavy for me, like let's say the studies, and I actually wanted to do something for
Right.
myself. So that thought was constantly disturbing my mind. कि exactly क्या करना है.
Nice. So, was there a particular moment when you thought I need to put myself first?
Yeah, like there were a lot of moments. I used to be dependent on people, so like how they react towards me. I used to be very concerned about it, and my mood used to depend on them. So after a certain point, when I realized, I was like, "Do you know about the let them theory?"
Right.
So I more of started applying that to in my personal life. कि like अगर वो कर रहे हैं करने दो. I should not care about that.
Best, right. So, what did self doubt look like for you back then, mentally or emotionally?
So mentally, it's like I used to overthink a lot. I used to constantly get those moments again in my head. I used to recall them. I would have done something better. And emotionally, it was like, what do we say? Quite overwhelming for me. Like, why am I doing this to myself?
Right.
So there were a lot of moments, and I slowly learned how to get over them.
How did it start initially? मतलब ऐसा कोई turning point था life में जिससे you got affected and then that started.
Yes, yes. Around my 9th 10th, I had my division shuffled. So
Okay.
मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्तों से मैं दूर हो गई थी.
Mm-hmm.
And at that point, I had literally nobody. I used to make different reasons. मैं मम्मी को बोलती थी कि I just don't want to go to school. मुझे नहीं जाना है वहाँ पे. So there were a lot of days I missed in my like in that phase. And तभी आया कोविड एंड तभी सब लाइक लॉकडाउन वगैरह आया सो आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम विद माई सेल्फ कि लाइक मैं कर क्या रही हूँ वाई एम आई जस्ट नॉट टेकिंग डिसीजंस फॉर माई सेल्फ तो फिर तब भी था कि आई हैव टू स्टैंड समवेयर तो आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग
Yes,
डिसीजंस
I mean that realization is the turning point
या
for you, and that's great. Do you feel we talk enough about this phase of life where everything feels heavy and unclear?
Mostly, I would focus on teenagers for this. They don't talk. Like, let's not say about today's generation. Back then, I was someone who used to keep things within myself. I just didn't wanted to share कि like parents के साथ अगर वो पूछे भी I never shared things with them. तो समवेयर आई फील कि वो चीज़ है जहाँ पे क्लियरली लोग बातें नहीं करते हैं इन
Right.
चीज़ों के बारे में एंड मोस्टली बॉयज़ दे आई डोंट नो व्हाई बट दे डोंट स्पीक अप फॉर देमसेल्व्स एंड कीप फाइटिंग कॉन्स्टेंटली सो
Do you think that is important for everyone
it is very
beyond gender?
important. Yeah, it is very important.
So the name Swatva comes from self and truth. What does that idea personally mean to you today?
So Swatwa, like big thanks to my mother. Swatwa Studios was a name she came up with. I was thinking, see, I wanted to do something that comes from inside for the people. So we were really sitting with a diary and a pen, like what can we like finalize, and that's when Mama said Swatwa karke. So Swatwa is the true essence of your inner self. So
Hmm.
Swa is self and Tattva, like the true essence.
Right.
So we came up with this idea, and the main motive is to make people connect with their inner selves.
Nice. That's a great initiative. So your tagline is for busy minds and big hearts. Why did those words feel right to you when you decided on that?
Busy minds because uh, what do we say? Like busy minds is something people have always people always have that mental noise within
Right.
themselves. They keep overthinking. They just constantly fight with their thoughts. And big hearts because people mostly like me, I am someone who always want to do more for everyone. I am always that caring person who has the soft side for everybody, but somewhere after a point these people feel ki they are unseen.
Hmm.
So for these big hearts and busy minds, I came up with this tagline.
That makes sense. And when someone hears that tagline for the first time, how do you hope they feel about that?
I think they should just have the feeling of yeah, this is me. तो ये feeling होना चाहिए because these people feel unexplained. So I made came up with this statement just because I should define them basically.
Okay, okay. So why did you choose tangible tools like affirmation bracelets instead of only content or advice?
See, only content or advice is something like we hear for once and then we, I don't know, like most of them don't apply it in their personal lives. And like I personally chose to come up with physical tools because it's like a reminder, it's like an action we take while we carry those things around us. So affirmation bracelets were the first thing I came up with so that they have this constant reminder with them as a bracelet.
Okay, and what exactly is there in that bracelet?
So it has a very basic idea that I was in a bead shop
Mm-hmm.
and I was this idea was constantly running in my mind कि मुझे कुछ तो करना है. So I was in that shop जहाँ पे मुझे idea है I should start my own brand and bracelets और affirmation को मैंने club कर दिया. I felt like let's say an affirmation, one word affirmation, peace या फिर calm.
Right.
So I put those letters in that bracelet
Mm-hmm.
and I made these bracelets of different affirmations. So एक रिमाइंडर हो हमें हमारे लिए कि हमें काम रहना है सिचुएशंस में. इस वे से स्वत्व स्टूडियो स्टार्टेड.
तो वो जो बीड्स है वो एग्जैक्ट जेनरिक बीड्स है लाइक ग्लास बीड्स है और दोज एमेथीज समथिंग लाइक दैट?
नहीं, these are generic beads, but I like choose different colors for the different feelings. So
ओके. तो ऐसा कोई मोमेंट या फिर कस्टमर का कभी फीडबैक आया है अबाउट योर प्रोडक्ट जिससे आपको बहुत वैलिडेशन फील हुई है अबाउट व्हाट यू आर बिल्डिंग?
So हमारे कॉलेज में हमने स्टॉल पुटअप किया था अबाउट आवर ब्रांड्स एंड वहाँ पे वी हैड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कस्टमर्स विजिटिंग अस एंड उनमें से एक इन्वेस्टर थे एंड ही लुक्ड अराउंड मेरे स्टॉल पे एंड देयर वर वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स आई हैड केप्ट. सो ब्रेसलेट्स थे, द जर्नल्स दैट आई हैव डिजाइन वो थे, एक लाइक साइकोलॉजी रिलेटेड गेम्स थे. So he went through that and he was kind of confused कि exactly है क्या brand ये brand. So then I explained what my idea was and what I am actually trying to aim. So he was like, this is a very unique idea and you should definitely go forward with this because around him he had seen a lot of self care brands जो skin care होता है, जो physical care होता है body के लिए ऐसा. And I have more of focused on mental part of it. So he was very amazed with that thing and that's what validated me. Yeah, and ये unique वाली बात बहुत लोगों ने की है तो yeah, that validation कि yeah, I'm building something.
दैट्स नाइस. यू मेंशन्ड जर्नल्स. उस
Yeah.
इन जर्नल्स में एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है?
So journals अभी के लिए I've designed 4 different journals. तो some are like एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड के लिए है लाइक अ 50-day जर्नल है एक जो 50 टास्क होते हैं. उसमें से एक एग्जाम्पल आई गिव वॉक अराउंड एंड कलेक्ट डिफरेंट फ्लावर्स. सो एक टाइम स्पेंड होता है खुद के साथ. सो एंड वो टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद तुम्हें क्या फीलिंग आई एंड एट द एंड ऑफ दोज 50 days यू हैव अ रिकॉर्ड कि तुम्हारे पास इन 50 days में तुमने क्या क्या फील किया, उस पर तुमने कैसे एक्ट किया. उसका एक रिकॉर्ड रहे, तो बाद में इफ यू अगेन फील समथिंग लाइक दैट यू कैन ऑलवेज गो बैक एंड रीड कि या मेरे पास मैंने ये सब एक्शंस लिए थे.
This is actually a good concept. I mean, actually unique है ये. So you speak about empathetic, sensitive people. Do you feel this generation feels more deeply?
Yeah, like Gen Zs are like they firmly take stand for themselves, they speak up for themselves. So I feel we, like all of these adults, should learn from them.
And do you think they actually speak for the good or they are just speaking? क्योंकि people say कि they don't just speak, they are rebels. So do you also have the same thinking about them?
In some cases, yes, but the actual feeling of speaking for themselves, at least they take stand for themselves, they don't keep things within themselves. So
Nice, right. So why do you think subtle reminders work better than loud self-help messages?
So subtle reminders are something. Now I'm in between of some negative moment, and uh, like these reminders are something that are constantly reminding you, yeah, you have to act this way. You are going on a wrong path. Like अभी अगर मैं कुछ negative moment में अटकी हूँ, I'm overthinking about something. I know I've made myself like that कि Srushti, this is wrong. You don't have to think like that. There is a lot of opportunities coming ahead. So I remind myself that
Hmm.
way. And I guess that is great rather than youth self help messages.
Okay. And when you imagine Swatva Studios 1 year from now, what would make you feel proud about this?
So being recognized by different wellness companies, I would say, um, it will be a great thing for me. Like it will help me to reach out different customers who are facing this issue,
Right.
and my products being recognized. It will be a great help for me.
Are you taking any initiatives for your products to get recognized as of now?
Yeah, I recently had came up with a vision board workshop
Hmm.
at the start of 2026. So it was a great time I had with different types of people who had registered for it. Um, I had launched this idea like around June. मुझे बहुत पहले आया था ये idea, and I was like कि middle of the year करना है, but somewhere it felt right कि we can do it 2026 के
Yeah.
start पे. So I was planning since then, but बीच में due to some things I couldn't like plan that way.
Hmm.
तो बहुत दिसंबर के एंड में बहुत घाई में वो डिसीजन लिया मैंने कि हाँ करना है, कुछ भी वो करना है. एंड लकीली अगेन माई मदर इन्वेस्टेड इन इट, दो प्रॉफिट नहीं आया आई वुड से ऑनेस्टली, बट इट वॉज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी.
हाँ, उनसे बात करके कैसा लगा आपको? अलग अलग माइंडसेट्स थे. You got a chance to talk to new people.
Yeah.
Did that shape your perspective in a way?
Yeah, मतलब everyone was like, एक was confused मैं कैसे start करूँ. She weren't like पूरा प्लान करके आए थे, कुछ लोग एकदम प्लान करके आए थे मैं ऐसा ऐसा करने वाली हूँ, एंड आई फेल्ट वेरी नाइस लाइक guiding them through that.
Right. And building something meaningful is not that easy. What challenges have you faced?
Um, as of now, I mentioned the vision board workshop that wasn't like profit wala thing,
Hmm.
but yes, I'll say experience acha tha. Then otherwise, there are a lot of people who are demotivating me through this. Like जब भी stall put up किया था, everyone was going through the stalls, and उसमें से बहुत लोग ऐसे थे जिनको ये सेल्फ हेल्प और ये सब देख के हंसी आ रही थी. And I was kind of confused ki like are you not aware like
Right.
what how important self help is, or I mean what was that. So somewhere I'm also trying कि ये awareness सब में create हो कि कितना important है ये चीज़. So,
तो जब आपके स्टॉल्स देख के लोग हंस रहे थे, क्या आपको लगा कि दिस इज डीमोटिवेटिंग मी?
yeah, at that point I felt, वहाँ से ही दूसरे इन्वेस्टर पास कर रहे थे. आई कॉल्ड हिम बैक, वो उन्होंने मेरा कॉन्टैक्ट वगैरह लिया, वो चले गए थे. आई कॉल्ड हिम बैक, आई वॉज सो डिस्टर्ब्ड क्योंकि मैं पूरी डिमोटिवेट हो गई, मुझे समझ नहीं रहा था ये क्या चल रहा है, ये ऐसे क्यों
हम्म।
बोल दिया इसने. सो आई कॉल्ड हिम बैक एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम अभी अभी ऐसे ऐसे हुआ. सो ही वाज लाइक आई थिंक यू शुड कंप्लीटली इग्नोर हिम, लाइक द पर्सन हु जिसने मजाक बनाया.
हम्म।
Because the reason he gave is there are a lot of people who are going to do this,
Correct.
but you know somewhere कि ये चीज़ कितनी important है and ये चीज़ कहाँ तक जा सकती है. So you don't need to like consider उनका उनका हंसी मजाक. So
Right. So जो तुम्हारा brand है, that is for self help. So this is somewhere also including mental health, right? So someone should approach you at what stage of their life? Initial stage would be better, or if they are going through something which is way more than their expectations, ki ab I am totally depressed at some point, should I approach you then, or is it better that मैं initially ही तुम्हें approach कर लूँ and that would help me next?
I would say initially approach करना चाहिए, like to anyone. I would say this because जितना तुम निगेटिविटी में डीपली डूबते जाओ उतना चीज़ें तुम्हारे अराउंड डिस्टर्ब होती जाएंगी. लाइक द वे यू फील इज द वे यू सी थिंग्स अराउंड यू. सो द सूनर यू like talk about
Okay.
this and
Suppose I am going through something. मुझे ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिससे मुझे रियलाइज होगा कि आई नीड हेल्प नाउ? Are there any list of things or some things that people feel, or there is something कि कुछ तो ऐसी चीजें होती है कॉमन, साइंस देती है कि यू नीड हेल्प?
बेसिक लाइक डेली रूटीन का के हिसाब से आई टेल यू. लाइक यू आर पासिंग बाय, लेट्स से किसी ने तुम्हें हाय किया और मे बी यू आर सेइंग हाय टू समवन एंड द पर्सन काइंड ऑफ इग्नोर्ड यू और मे बी बाय मिस्टेक इग्नोर हो गया. सो कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको वो चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्ट कर जाती है, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं नहीं किया तो इट्स ओके. बट सो लाइक मैंने बोला जैसे इग्नोर हो गया आप, सो ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो अफेक्ट कर रही है तुम्हें. फिर इन द सेकेंड प्लेस इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग कि नहीं सब लोग जाओ इधर से मुझे अकेला रहना है, यू आइसोलेट योर सेल्फ, देन तुम्हारे खाने पे अफेक्ट हो रहा है और लाइक यू आर रिएक्टिंग रूडली टू एवरीवन. मे बी दोज आर सम साइंस जहाँ पे तुम्हें हेल्प की ज़रूरत है एंड यू रियली नीड टू टॉक अबाउट कि व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन इन योर माइंड.
Okay, okay. And what is something you are still learning or unlearning personally?
लर्निंग बोला तो आई से आई एम लर्निंग टू बैलेंस एवरीथिंग जो कॉलेज चल रहा है. एज ऑफ नाउ इट्स लाइक आई हैव कनेक्टेड दीज डॉट्स कि हाँ आई मुझे मेरे ब्रांड के लिए कुछ करना है विद द सेम थिंग. यूएक्स इज माई डिग्री आई एम परसुइंग. सो उसको कनेक्ट करके लाइक आई एम बिल्डिंग अपॉन समथिंग. तो आई फील कि वो सब मैं बैलेंस करना सीख रही हूँ एंड समथिंग दैट आई एम अनलर्निंग इज टू इग्नोर नेगेटिव थिंग्स दैट आर कमिंग अराउंड मी.
Great. And if someone listening feels overwhelmed or stuck today, what would you gently want to tell them?
Learn to be calm in every single situation, I would say, because if you don't handle things calmly you end up with wrong decisions which you might regret later. So I would say be calm and take every decision calmly.
True. And lastly, if you had to describe where you are right now in one sentence, what it would be?
I am in a very like comfortable yet uncomfortable phase of my life where I am happy handling everything around me, whatever is going on, like different events I'm handling, my brand, the studies, I would say again. I'm learning to balance them as well. So I'm in a very uh, exciting time where I would again say कि जहाँ पे मैं सीख रही हूँ. So I would
That's great.
really want to grow through all this.
Anything that you would like to share, any incident that makes you happy revolving around this business? Makes you happy, or any incident that you actually remember and always stick to you? It can be a negative moment also.
Um, back then when I had put up the stall, I had kept this feedback box. So there was this person who was recording us different stalls कि what that brand exactly is, and उसने जब मेरा idea सुना, he left one feedback. I want this to be a unicorn startup. ये सुन के like I don't know क्या हुआ, I lost that note, but I had read it and I have a pic of it. तो ये सुन के I was very happy and I will always have that moment in my mind. So yeah, that's one thing I'll always remember.
That's great. That's great. Initially, you are just starting,
Yeah.
but we actually look forward to you being a unicorn.
Thank you so much.
So, thank you for being here at Where We Are. And I really hope that people now knows the importance of self-help things and can definitely approach Srishti further on if anything needed. Thank you.
Thank you so much.